Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 13th of September 1899, Henry H. Bliss became the first person to be killed by an automobile in America. Henry Hale Bliss, a Manhattan real estate salesman, was helping a female companion named as Miss Lee disembark a southbound 8th Avenue trolley car at West 74th Street and Central Park West in New York City. The area had become known among trolley drivers as the dangerous stretch over the previous few months due to a large number of non-fatal accidents. Bliss was not so fortunate. As he stepped down from the streetcar, he was struck by an electric-powered taxicab driven by Arthur Smith. According to the New York Times, Bliss was knocked to the pavement and two wheels of the cab passed over his head and body. His skull and chest were crushed. The cab's passenger, Dr. David Orr Edson, attended to Bliss at the scene, after which he was taken by ambulance to Roosevelt Hospital in the Midtown West neighborhood of Manhattan. Here, the house surgeon, Dr. Marny, declared that the injuries were so severe that Bliss wouldn't survive. He died the next morning. Arthur Smith, the driver of the taxicab, was arrested and charged with manslaughter. However, according to a newspaper published the following day, he'd been forced to drive closer than usual to the streetcar due to a large truck on the right side of the avenue. The charges were subsequently dropped, and it was determined that Bliss's death was unintentional, since Smith was not negligent and had no malice. The corner where Bliss was struck by the taxicab is now home to a plaque that commemorates the accident. Installed on the centenary in 1999, the dedication was attended by Bliss's great-granddaughter.